Now I will write do while loop program in my compiler. Okay. So do while loop. Okay, a while loop will loop forever as long as initially this condition proves true. It is an either you do constant testing of a value. So do while loop like a do loop. Okay, do loop, do while loop, and do until loop. It is a loop. Okay, and do while loop where we have to use do while loop in our program. Okay, so I will discuss in practically. You just see on my screen. CLS you have to use. CLS means CLS. Why we use CLS statement? For clear the screen.
Sir,
Yes.
to clear the
Clear the screen. Yes. Next, C is a variable. Next, we have to use do while function. Then okay. Next, we have to write print. Print C. That means I will display C. C means 1. C equal to C value is 1. Yes. Do while loop C less than equal to 10. Print C. That means I will display C value only. That is why I have used C here. Okay. So again, C equal to C plus 1. Next, I will use loop. So my program is over. So I have to use and E and D. So now I will run it. Error in main dot base line 1. That means which one? This one maybe. Yes. Again I will execute. The error in main dot base line 2. Line 2 that means 1 to 2 number line is here. So I will remove it. Again I will execute it. Now showing line number 3. That means this one. Without RAM and without CLS, I will write. Okay. Same problem. Line number 2. Line number 2 that is do while loop. So no problem. You just remember this program. Okay. Syntax of do while loop. And some error is there. Okay. You have to write CLS. RAM function no need to write. Okay, you just write CLS means clear the screen. C value is a 1, or you can use your 1 value like a 2 3 4 5. Okay, up to 10 you can use. And next do while you have to use next C less than equal to 10 up to how much function, that is how if you want to display up to 11 number, then you have to write here 11. If you want to display 10, then you have to write here 10 only. Okay, because C less than equal to 10. Yes, that means up to 10 value will display in output result. Yes. Next is print C. That means print C means C equal to 1. That means if you will display C value, that means C equal to 1. That means up to it will display. That means this output will 1 2 3 4 like this. You see this image 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It will display. If you want to display up to 15 numbers, then you can write here 15 up to. Okay, that means up to 1 to 15 number will display in our output result. Okay. And next is do until loop. Okay. So syntax is do until condition statements loop example. So suppose If you will display up to 11 or 12 number, 12 value, then you can write simply CLS c equal to 1, do until c equal to 11. And here I will write CLS c equal to 1, because I will display from 1 to 11. That's why I wrote here 1. If you will display up to 3 or 2, then you can write here 2. That means from 2 to 11 it will display. So again I will write do until c value up to display. I will display value 12 suppose. Okay. So here I will write 12 only. Okay. Next, print c equal to c plus 1. Next, loop. I will close the loop and end the program. So I will execute it. It is okay or not? I will check. No, some problem. Line 1 is 0. Why? I don't know. Okay. We should use CLS. CLS means clear the screen. So from number 2 value I will display up to 12. Okay. That's why I wrote here 2. Okay. So do until 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 c equal to up to 12 I will display. That is why I wrote here 12. Okay. And print c I will display c value. That means up to 2. It will display like that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 up to. Okay. And c plus 1 and loop end. Okay. That means program is over. Understood? CLS means clear the screen c equal to 2. Okay. So because in here I wrote 2. If I will display from 1 to 12, then I have to use here 1. Next, do until c equal to 12. That means up to 12 value I will display. That is why I wrote here 12. I guess. And next, I will display print c value. That is why I wrote here print c. Yes. And next, c equal to c plus 1. That means it will add. That means this value will increment. That means 1 in here, 1 plus 1. That means it will automatically increment. 1, next 1 plus 1. That means 2 will come. Again 2 plus 1. That means 3 will come. Again 3 plus 1. 4 will come. 4 plus 1. 5 will come. Up to 12. 12 value will come in output result. That is why I wrote here c equal to c plus 1. Yes. Okay.